Hi, I'm Ginger Walker, owner of Clean Junkies. I'm here today to talk about how to do laundry if you don't have a washing machine. First thing you're going to do is get some detergent. You can use either a liquid detergent or a powder detergent. Just all you need is a little bit. You're going to fill up your sink with some water, put in your detergent. Now if you're using a powder detergent, you're going to want to make sure that if you're using cold water, that you dissolve that in some warm water first and then add it and stir it around. Again, your water settings come in, to play here. Even if you don't have a washing machine, you need to pay attention to the water temperatures. With our light colors like this, I've got some warm water that we're using. You're just going to dip them down in, make sure they get all saturated, wring them around. Take them out, wring them out a few times. If you've got stains on any of the clothes that you are going to hand wash, you'll want to pre-treat those prior to washing them. So with your stains, get your product here, spray it on. And one good thing about hand washing is if you do have stains, you can take it out and look at it right there. Whereas if you have a washing machine, you're not able to take it out and check if it's gone before it's done washing. Another thing that you can use if you don't have a wash basin and you have one from back in the olden days is a washboard. And one thing also, a lot of these laundry room sinks will come with it built into the front. And it's just got some divots there, and you just kind of rub your clothes up and down there. And the benefit of that is it's got some texture that you're rubbing the clothes up and down, so you don't have to squish them and rub them all together with your hands.